Do you know the connection between your gut health and cholesterol? Yes, I'll tell you. Most importantly, cholesterol should be seen as a symptom and not a disease. Firstly, let's debunk a common myth. Cholesterol is not the enemy. In fact, it is essential for our bodies. It acts as a natural cure. Every time a cell is damaged or need to produce a new cell, cholesterol is needed, as it helps build the structure of our cell membrane. And it is also needed in our brain for production of hormones. So if cholesterol is good, then where is the issue? The issue happens when the cholesterol ratio is not in order. Before going into details, let me clarify what are the types of cholesterol we know. We all commonly know that there are HDL, which is high density lipids, that is also called as good cholesterol, that helps in removing the cholesterol from our arteries back to liver for recycling. And then there is LDL, which is low density lipids, which is called as bad cholesterol. It is not actually that bad. It helps bring the cholesterol from the liver to the blood vessels so it can help heal the damaged arteries. However, when the LDL becomes oxidized, it can cause harm. Now, you may wonder how all these cholesterol is connected to gut health. Let me explain. Our gut or digestive system is filled with both good and bad bacteria. It is also home for our highest number of immune cells. Because gut wall is the first line of defense to our body. Because it's the first exposure to outside environment, to whatever we are consuming from outside, right? So that is why it is very important to have a strong gut barrier to separate the internal and external systems. Let's say you have a weak gut or gut leakage. Then the bad bacteria enters your bloodstream. Now our line of defense is alerted and the immune cell starts attacking the bad bacteria. And that's when the freely floating LDL in our bloodstream, which ideally should be on its way back to its liver, it starts to act. So now all the LDL comes together, forms a block to arrest the bad bacteria moving any further in our artery. Now this forms a plague. The more plague that gets formed in our artery, the lesser the blood flow can happen, giving rise to blood pressure, artery block, in worst case, heart attack. So now you know why a strong gut barrier is necessary. So when does your gut start leaking? When you eat a lot of refined sugars or processed foods, then the bad bacteria increases in your gut, making your gut leak. Did you know that a single serving of processed food can alter your gut microbiome in just 24 hours? Yes. So it's very important to have a balanced gut microbiome and avoid any trans fats or junk foods. Instead, consume a lot of fresh fruits, vegetables, antioxidant rich foods like berries, leafy vegetables, etc. It's rich in fiber, probiotic foods like fatty acids from fatty fish, seeds to improve your gut health, thereby keeping your cholesterol levels balanced. By making informed food choices and supporting your gut health, you can reduce the risk of heart disease and promote a healthier, happier you. Stay happy, stay healthy.